What's good, Wave gang?
Shut up, Wave gang.
This guy will always.
What? I was waiting for that. My C pressed the record button.
Listen, this idiot's about to get smoked. Man's out here with big lat, and we are about to go do up motocross. We got the whole of Ashdown private hire for the day. The whole gang is out here. We're en route to the track right now. Got a whole convoy in front, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Let's get into it. They got us fucking off-roading in the drop top. We saying like doing up some off-roading in the drop top.
This really shouldn't what we're in the drop top shoe like.
He said get the bezel out.
Something right. He said the drop top. Just to show them we're not lying, we ain't stunning.
Big drop, so that now went off-roading. Lap came out looking like he was ready to go to the club.
I'm not gonna lie, this thing mad. Oh, you feel that?
What, the way it's leaning?
Yeah. Oh my days.
What were you saying, Monster?
Man, like TV.
Monster gonna hook me up.
I tell Monster, hook us all up in it.
Brother, this guy, Monster made this guy's dreams come true and he's out here drinking Red Bull.
No comment.
Yo.
Yo, bro.
What you saying? Just here, bro.
Some country road, yeah. It's took us to some road and it's on my silver gate.
Yeah, you're where we just were. Cones is where we just were. Oh man, I meet him as well. What kind of fucked up haircut is this, bro?
I don't know, you know, wait, I'm still waiting on the fucking suitcase, bro.
It's Billy Ray Cyrus.
Basil Ray Cyrus.
It looks like Miley Cyrus's dad and that, like.
Got a date now.
But yeah, we are out here. Man like Danny. We're at Ashdown MX and we are about to get active, so let's go. Nah, you ain't gonna flip it.
So you're going back home today? I'm joking, that car will actually make it up.
This guy's moving nuts, bro. Nice. What's happening, lads?
You good?
Good.
What's good, what's good? What's happening? Yeah, man, we are active and about to do our madness. Hello, little pit bikes out. All the concept boys. What's happening, Ben?
Good.
Oh, no. But yeah, it's about to go off, mate. It is about to go off.
There's 4 competitions to get used to the bike.
Alright, yo, come, because this is the rules. This is the rules and regulations.
Throughout the day, I'm going to pick your teams. What I want you to do is go and warm up on your bikes for half an hour, enjoy it for a little bit, come back to me. What time are we on now?
Hey, you got any tyres with you?
11:45, I want you back here.
I got a full tyre, but I still smoke.
You don't need it, don't need it. 11:45 back here, we're going to pick the teams and then you're going to play for some trophies and shit.
Alright.
Let's motherfucking get it.
We're about to switch to some GoPro and see a mess on the track.
It's a relay race. Put your first rider that's going to run from over there to the bike. They've got to be able to start a bike. If they can't start a bike, you're fucked. Yeah? Then we're going to get your next 3 riders. Come with me. We're situated on the track.
I can't run.
Let's go.
fucking dive! Oh, this is fucking hilarious. What you saying? First race done, yeah? This guy here, I'm not making them through. won it for his team, but fucking, I got a 6 start, yeah, and then I hit the first jump, landed straight in a puddle, and the bike died. Oh, it's fucked. So my team didn't even finish. We got a DNF. Shut up, bro. Shut up. Alright, remember what he just said. I remember what happens in the video, innit? Say less.
Whoever comes first.
Out of 4 races?
Yeah, man.
How does that work?
Because one team's going to be better than all of you, isn't it?
Yeah, we want the winner of each 4 races.
Remember, pit bikes ain't about competitiveness. It's about fun. And it's just becoming too competitive. I will smash you all on a pit bike. Oh! Out of the way. I didn't get much footage because it's all on my GoPro, and yeah, I didn't. Yeah, we're all about to get into this last little race around the pit bike track, and then it's home time. We were about to do the whole shot, and the winner gets £20.
yeah? And the whole time you couldn't even catch, man. So, man, I really had the whole shot. If Lee weren't there, I had the whole shot. You know, like that. He's a pro, so. So yeah, we just got back to the ends. We're up in North London right now on the way back to East. There's bare traffic, so that's trying to do the cut through. But yeah, man, I hope you lot enjoyed this one. Bringing the pit bike vids back slowly but surely. My hand's a bit better now, so I'll start getting active. Right, look at this traffic though. Oh, mate. Fucking hell, bro. You know you gotta do the last minute cuttings when it's like this. But yeah, hope you lot enjoyed it. Been a lit day. More to come. Let's go.